What's up guys, welcome back to JZLabs, and today we are going to talk about how you can convert an article to a video or a blog post to a video. So this AI tool name is Pictory AI. So before starting the video, let's talk about the pricing of the Pictory AI. So it offers a free trial. As you can see, it has 3 plans, and you can in the free trial version you can just create 3 projects, each up to 10 minutes. So coming to the plans, it has standard plan, premium plan, and an enterprise plan. So standard plan is $19 per month, and $39 per month is a premium plan. And as you can see, both have a free trial plan, and it does not require a credit card details or any payment details while you are opting for a free trial. If you sign up using our link, which is mentioned in description box, you will get an additional 20% discount whenever you will buy a plan, any plan like a standard, premium, or enterprise plan. You will save more 20% whenever you purchase, each time you purchase. So let's begin with the video. So today I have taken an example of how to boil noodles recipe. So I'm just copying this link and I will paste it here. So when you sign up using our link, you will come to this dashboard, and as you can see, the second option, article to video, just I am pasting the link over here, and once I click to the proceed button, it will summarize the script and it will convert it into a script firstly. So let's proceed. Get the blog post into scenes, and you can just delete or edit scenes from over here, and you can also adjust it from over here. So I'm just clicking on the next button. So now it will convert the script into a video. So let's do it, clicking on the next button. So yeah, it asks you that you can choose your own template. So I'm just selecting the first one. You can select any template. And also it asks you that choose the aspect ratio. If you want in 9:16, you can opt 9:16, or I'm just opting 16:9 as of now. So I'm clicking on the continue button. Guys, the video is all set. The video is ready. So now you have to add the audio to the video. So I'm going to the audio section and to voiceover. And from here you can add any voiceover to the video. So I'm just selecting the first one. I'm clicking on the apply button, and when I will click on preview, the audio will be added to the video. And it also offers many visuals, elements, text, styles, branding, and many more things you have over here. So let me click on the preview button so that you can see the video.
Non-sticky boiled noodles, step-by-step photo recipe for non-sticky noodles. Plain and simple boiled noodles is a basic ingredient in almost all Indo-Chinese noodles dishes like veg Hakka noodles, Szechuan noodle.
So yeah, guys, you can see that how it has converted from a blog post to a detailed video, that how you can boil noodles. So yeah, this is a very pretty good tool for content creators and enterprise or a business if you have any. So yeah, and also if you see the watermark behind it, it will be removed when you download the video. And as you can also see, to remove Pictory branding from the video, you have to upgrade. So using our link, which is mentioned in description, if you use that link, you will get an additional 20% discount every time you buy the subscription, any plan like standard, premium, or enterprise based upon your preferences. So yeah, this is a very pretty good tool for content creators. Thank you for watching our video. Hit the like button if you really like this video, and do share with your friends and family. And also if you have any queries, you can just comment in comment section. Do subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in next video.